To the story now of how a Labor Day outing at the Kingston Waterfront left one man hospitalized and demanding justice. Curtis Wint claims he was brutally beaten by police officers in what is being deemed a misunderstanding. Yanique Williams has details.
What was supposed to be a relaxing Labor Day afternoon at the Kingston Waterfront quickly turned into a nightmare for Curtis Wint. It all started with what he says playful interaction with his girlfriend. The two enjoying a day out when a passerby who thought he was witnessing an abduction alerted the police. According to Mr. Wint, he was confronted by the officers after they arrived at the location. He alleges that before he was given an opportunity to explain what was happening, officers attempted to physically restrain him.
Hold on to the back of my pants and shirt and basically hold on to me and said, I'm under arrest. So I said, for what? He said, you're under arrest. I said, for what? He said, you're under arrest. I said, big man, let me go, brother. So same time, the next officer says, oh yeah, I get some out with the police. Poop, and lick me in my face. Never really paid that of mind now. So at the time now, me or the other officer said that, put your hand behind you. I said, no, you're not putting no cuff on me.
He alleges that officers then became violent, repeatedly punching, kicking, and beating him. He claims the assault continued even after he was restrained. And despite his girlfriend's attempt to explain that they were a couple and that no kidnapping was taking place.
He ended up going to the road, come back, grab the baton, which is the big wooden one, brown one, from an officer. And from he grabbed that from the officer, him just start pile drive me. I got a hit here, my neck, my chest, my back, right here, and my leg all the way down. Refusing to go to the ground, him just continue beating me to the foot, the ankle.
He alleges that officers continued to assault him while transporting him to the hospital, striking him in the face despite his injuries. He was admitted for 10 days. Medical reports show he suffered a fractured knee along with multiple bruises and abrasions. Now undergoing physiotherapy, Mr. Wint says he remains unable to work normally and continues to deal with the emotional impact of the incident. He has since reported the matter to the Independent Commission of Investigations and is calling for a thorough probe into the incident. When contacted, an official from Indicom acknowledged the report was made, but was only prepared to say that the investigation is ongoing. Yanique Williams, TVJ News.